Hi, my name is Alp Jakar, and I am from Harmony Schools. My PBL project is Geometric Town. Before I actually begin presenting my project, I want to share my driving questions with you. How do we use geometry in everyday life? We use geometry in everyday life when we're in our classes at school, such as math, science, and physical education. How do you show that geometry is all around us? Geometry is everywhere we look and everywhere we go. For example, when you enter your house, you see the shape of the rooms or the shapes of your furniture. That is geometry. Right?
I have to create a three-dimensional town with roads, buildings, and parks. I had to show how geometry is used to create a city. My city has three-dimensional shapes, such as a rectangular prism and a cylinder. For my ELA component of my project, I took notes of what I made so far and what I plan to make next. In my social studies connection, I wrote a paper about the history of geometrical shaped towns. The material I used to create the buildings was cardboard. I used a box cutter to cut the cardboard walls of the buildings. To glue the building's walls together, I used a hot glue gun because it holds the cardboard together best. The paint I used to color the buildings was acrylic paint. I used the Pythagorean and area formulas to create the walls of the buildings. I also used the proportion formula to compare a building's sizes. In my city, there are 7 roads, each intersecting at least 2 other roads. In total, there are 14 buildings and 1 park in my geometrical town. These buildings include a water tower, a hospital, a police department, a fire department, a hotel, a parking lot, a workplace, a school, a supermarket, and 6 houses. To make my town look nice, I added a few trees, a soccer and football field, a small park, and traffic lights. Thanks for watching Harmony Schools.